Good morning, children. Today we will start new chapter, environmental pollution. Take out page number 94, chapter 17. Today we will study this chapter. Half of the chapter today we are going to discuss and half in my next video. Now this story starts with a boy named Ayush. Okay. After the summer vacation, when Ayush started going to school again, he noticed that the orchard on the way had been dug up and a building was being constructed. Ayush was almost in tears when he realized that the green orchard with fruit-laden trees, grass and butterflies had gone forever. He shared his feelings with the classmates. Now they said environment is changing. Now the word environment. Now from the very first para what we came to know that a boy named Ayush after his summer vacation when he started going to school on his way he saw a drastic change. What the drastic change? Where there was field, plants, trees, now it was totally vanished. It was totally dug up and the construction was going on. Construction means buildings were built on that plain vacant lands. And the trees which were filled with, which were laden with fruits and the parks he used to see the butterflies. Now nowhere he can see those things. So he was very upset and the tears came in his eyes by seeing the change in the surroundings. So he came and he shared his feelings with his classmates. Now his classmates told that environment is changing. Now if we come to this part, now the same thing was told to his class teacher also. So the teacher told that the surrounding is changing. That means whatever you see in your surroundings is environment. So the teacher, when teacher came to know this part, the teacher explained the part, the thing to Ayush that the surroundings, whatever you see in your surroundings comes under the topic environment. Now Ayush was very eager to know whether all the things comes under environment. The teacher said obviously yes, some are man-made, some are created by nature. The things like rivers, mountains, forests, plants, animals, these are all natural things and they are created by the nature. And some things that like bridges, roads, vehicles, cars, buildings, these are constructed by man. So they are human made or man made. So these two environment together mix up with environment. That means man-made environment and natural environment consist in the word environment. Now the teacher said yes, but some objects are created by nature and some are created by man. So they comprise both the natural environment and human environment. Now from here we can understand the things which we can see in our surroundings like the trees, the plants, the clothes, then the people, all together comes under the word environment. Now it is the combination of natural and human made environment. Environment itself is the combination of human made and natural. Environment is our basic life support system. It is the basic life support system because it is related with our day-to-day life. All the things they are related with our day-to-day life. It provides us the natural things, they provide us air, we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat and the land where we live. So all these are comprising of natural environment. Even human beings can change the environment. Sometimes it may be natural also, like forest fire or a dust storm. They are changing the landforms. But then also maximum changes takes place due to the human errors. Then human beings, they change the environment. How? It is due to the pollution. That means this world, the pollution created by human beings, the man-made creation, how they are polluting. There are various types of essential components in our environment like air, water, then soil, then noise, it will become the sound. These are all polluted by us in various ways. So what are these pollutions? Sound pollutions, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. So these are all related with nature. Now human beings, pollution means what? Human beings are adding up the undesirable things with these natural things, and they are creating a disaster. Pollution is the sum total of undesirable changes in the natural environment. So undesirable changes, that means the waters in the rivers, in the lakes, they are becoming dirty. How they are becoming dirty? Suppose the used water from the factories or homes like sewage and waste waters, they are being thrown in the ponds, lakes, rivers. So they are polluting the rivers water. Forest, people are cutting down the trees and barren lands are being made. But we know that trees are the friends, green friends of us. They provide us food, shelter and air, moreover oxygen. So when we are cutting down them, so we are reducing the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere. Then deforestation, that is cutting down the trees. So these all leads to the pollution. Now when a dust storm occurs or forest fire is there, so whole forests are burnt. On the other hand, the vehicles which we use, from their smokes comes out and they pollute the air. And the factories from where the waste waters are coming down, through chimneys the smokes are coming down, they are polluting the air, even the water. Then garbages we are throwing in the soil, then they are polluting the land also. Even the roads, we are throwing dirty things on the roads, they are polluting the roads. So this way they are polluting the whole environment. So we have to be very cautious. So let us recapitulate again. So the story of this lesson is all related with the environment. Environmental pollution, how we can save the environment and how we can restrict the pollution from mixing up with the man-made things and the natural things. That means they are occurring naturally and they are created by human beings. So both are being polluted by human beings, even sometimes by nature also, sometimes the pollution are caused. But the basic things, environment means whatever we see in our surroundings, the plants, the rivers, animals, we people, clothes, buildings, fields, everything comes under the word environment. So surroundings means whatever we are seeing throughout our area, whenever we are moving our eyes, whatever we are seeing, they are coming under the word environment. Now it is our main duty and main motto to keep the environment clean. But what is happening? Due to our some negligence, carelessness, we are polluting it. And due to pollution, many disasters are happening. So that we will study in the next video. Here, environment can be segregated into two parts: man-made environment and the natural environment. Like rivers, forests, mountains, plants, animals or living beings, they are coming under the natural environment. Man-made environment, roads, bridges, vehicles, buildings, they are all constructed by human beings. So they are coming under the human-made or man-made environment. These two comprises the environment and it is our duty to keep it clean. Environment water pollution is caused due to various reasons. Pollutions may be naturally or man-made. People are keeping the roads, vehicles, factories, they are keeping it, they are throwing out the garbages, the wastewater, the sewage, that means used water from the houses, those are thrown out in the rivers or water bodies like ponds, lakes, so they are polluting the natural environment. Again, the forest fire, dust storms, they are all caused naturally. No one is doing it. So sometimes they also cause disaster or pollute the environment. So both man-made and the natural, they are depending on the each other, and we should avoid pollution and we should try to keep them clean. Thank you, children.